morning. I think I feel the weather starting to break. I feel a little bit of crispness in the air, and it feels pretty good. Just a little bit. But we have a busy day today. My husband and I are running errands together. We need to go to our oldest son's high school to meet with a counselor. We need to go to Ikea to look for a bed and a mattress, and we need to go to the bank. So we have quite a bit of running around to do today before it's time to pick up the little boys from school. So I thought it would be a fun day to bring you around, because since we're going downtown, maybe I can show you a few downtown sites. So it is about 9:30ish or so. So we are going to go ahead and get this day started. Let's get it started.
It's comfortable, huh? Yeah, you've already emptied that body out.
Shake it. Is it good?
No. Horrible. Hey, we are back home. We took care of what we needed to take care of and went to the bank. We found a bed that we were interested in for both the boys, and we are just measuring and just really thinking about it to decide if that's, the bed that we want to go with. We went to the bank and picked up the boys, and we are home finishing up homework, and I'm straightening up before I start dinner. It is Wednesday wind up. We're back on our dinner themes. Our dinner themes are Soul Food Sunday, Make It Monday, Taco Tuesday, Wednesday wind up, Roasted Thursday, and Fish Friday. And Saturday, I don't think I have a name for Saturday. Saturday is just the variety day. So yeah, we've started our themed dinners, and I'll do a video about that because I like seeing like what's for dinner videos and things like that because I actually do get ideas from those types of videos. So I will be doing that soon, and right now I'm just gonna finish straightening up so that I can get our Wednesday wind-up meal prepared. And I hope you enjoyed hanging out with us and getting a little glimpse of downtown Atlanta, the city. And yeah, so hope you enjoyed it. If so, give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in checking out some more videos on this channel, then I definitely recommend that you check out my video playlist, my Mom's Time Out Self-Care and Mommy Empowerment videos. Is it dark? Mommy empowerment videos. I love to do these vlogs. I love to put them together and edit them. So I so much enjoy watching vlogs. So creating them is equally as fun. But I am passionate about inspiring moms to be happy, to live full and love life. So those videos that I suggested that you check out are all about that, all about inspiring one another to embrace the things that we love, embrace who we are, embrace who God created us to be, and to be happy to live full and love life and bring all of that love and all of that positive energy and passion into our roles in life instead of our roles in life squishing out our passion. So yeah, that is, and then if you want to know more about why I started the channel, a little more about that, then check out my introductory video that's always linked in the description box. So with that said, thank you for coming around with us. Have a happy, blessed day, and I will see you in the next video. You can also be in contact with me across social media outside of YouTube. All the social media links are in the description box. So have a happy, blessed day as always, and I will see you next time. Bye.